Welcome to our channel. In today's tutorial, we'll show you how to personalize your Asana mobile app's home feed. By customizing your feed, you can streamline your workflow and focus on what matters most. Let's dive in. First, open the Asana app on your phone. Next, navigate to the top right corner of your screen. Tap on the home feed icon. This will open the home feed settings. Then, you'll see a list of widgets and features that can appear in your home feed. To customize, simply toggle the switches next to each item to turn them on or off, according to your preference. Finally, after making your selections, look for the Save button, tap it to save your changes. Your home feed will now reflect your customized settings. And that's it. You've successfully customized your Asana home feed on mobile. This personalization helps you stay organized and focused on your tasks. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel, liking the video, and sharing it with others. Thank you for watching.